In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Wix. Whether you're looking to switch platforms, close down a website, or simply reduce your expenses, knowing how to cancel your Wix plan is an important step. We'll go through this process together, ensuring that you can complete each step swiftly and without any hassle. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Wix website, open up your preferred browser, and go to wix.com. Once there, look for the Login section. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. This will take you to your Wix dashboard, which acts as the central hub for managing your Wix sites and subscriptions. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Settings. Click on it to proceed. The Settings menu provides you with a variety of options related to your account management, including billing, site settings, and more. With the Settings menu open, the next step is to locate and click on Manage Plan. This is where you'll find the details of your current subscription, whether it's a free plan or a premium one. This section is crucial, as it contains the options you'll need to move forward with canceling your plan. If you're on a free plan, things are a bit simpler, as you'll primarily see options related to upgrading your plan to unlock more features. However, if you have decided that Wix isn't the right fit for you, this is as far as you'll need to go, since subscription management won't require further action. For those of you on a premium plan, the next move is very important. Look for a button labeled Cancel Plan. Click on this to initiate the cancellation process. After clicking, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These prompts will guide you through a series of confirmations, ensuring that you're making this decision with full understanding, as canceling a premium plan might affect your website features. And that's essentially it. Once you've successfully canceled your plan, you should receive a confirmation email from Wix, verifying that your subscription has been discontinued. Keep this email for your records, just in case you need to refer to it later. Remember that canceling a Wix plan is a reversible action while you're still within your billing cycle, so take your time to consider if this is the right step for you. If you ever decide to return to Wix, you'll be able to resubscribe and retrieve your site's content if you choose to re-enable your account within a reasonable time frame. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in guiding you through the cancellation process on Wix. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.